So this brought up a good point. I was thinking about this and looking it over. So in this one, it does look like the sides are separate. So I can't see inside of there, but I suspect the one side goes to the yellow and the other side goes to the red. Now if we look at the light, so there's two prongs. And I'm pretty sure this is the bulb that I set aside because it didn't work correctly. And I was looking in here, and I hope you can see that, but both prongs are connected to one wire. So that's good. That means it doesn't have to be hot on each side, just one of them has to be hot or neutral. Now on the other side, if you look at this one, it looks like it was supposed to be one wire connected to both prongs, but it looks like it broke off the one side, which would make sense why this bulb didn't work, because if I put it in one way, if only one side of this was hot, then one way would work and the other way would not work depending on which way you twisted the bulb. So we have two options. This bulb will work if I put it in so that it's touching the hot or the neutral. If it's just touching a blank side, because only this side is hot right here, or this side is connected right here. So rather than try to solder this, because it's a pretty tight area, which I could, you can see it moves in there, but it'd be kind of tricky. It might be easier if I just, although, if I make all four of these neutral and all four of the other side hot, then this bulb should work. So I have enough wire to do that. In fact, I have two wires here, I have two wires there. If they all connect to the black, then this whole side will be hot. And it doesn't matter which prong is touching. One of the prongs is going to be hot. And I'll do the same thing here. So theoretically, you do not need to have all four. But if you have a bulb that's compromised like this one, then rather than fix the bulb, if I just have them hot and I put this bulb in this light, it should work. And I'll just have to remember that if one of these bulbs doesn't work, as long as one of those right here are connected, it should still work. So it's a matter of putting it in a certain way. Okay, I hope that's not too confusing, but I'm going to make all four of these the same on both sides. And I think I'll do the same thing to that one. It'll just decrease the chance, because I'm sure this bulb is good. It's when I put it in the light I had changed, it didn't work, and now I see why it might not have. Okay, let's get it wired back together. All we need is a couple wire nuts and a little trimming, and we'll get this back together.